As we all know, no matter how good a video is, if the sound is not okay, viewers don't enjoy it. They easily click out from that video. So in this video today, I'll be teaching you how to enhance your voice and how to also reduce background noise from your videos using the Capcut app. I'm not using any mic and I have not edited the voice. I have not enhanced my voice. So I'll be teaching you right away how you can enhance your voice from this to this. So guys, did you notice any difference in the sound? Yes, I know you noticed something. I have enhanced this particular video that you are watching. I already enhanced the voice and now it's sounding well, like as if I'm using the mic. I'm not using any mic. So the only thing I did was to enhance the voice, reduce background noise. And so guys, are you ready to learn how to enhance your voice to sound like you're using the mic? Keep watching. Guys, we are going to click on the Capcut app and then click on new project. So you are going to click on the video you've already edited and exported to your phone. So I'll go with this one of 1 minute 2 seconds for this tutorial. So you click on add. So immediately you import the video to this place. You click on the video and then you swipe to the right and click on volume and increase the volume to 1000. So after doing that, click on this check sign and then we are going to enhance the voice right away. So you click on enhance voice, click on it and then click on this place. It's free, you don't need to pay for it. So it will start counting from 1 to 100. So you need to be patient. If your video is very long, just know that this will take some time for it to enhance your voice. But if your video is not too long, it won't take much time. So all you need to do is to be patient. So that is it. So guys, we are almost there. So you soon see it. So guys, did you see that? So immediately you finish enhancing it, then this noise cleanup will just show up. So you need to take it to 100. Don't leave it like this. Take it to 100. I think it's at 75 now. So take it to 100. You just take it to 100 like this, and then it will start counting again. This one is what will clean up if there's any noise, it will clean it up. But I'm still going to show you something else you need to do to also remove background noise from your video. After doing this, if you want a perfect sound, like a perfect audio for your video, I will show you what next to do. So you need to be patient for this to also count from 1 to 100. So guys, this is it. And we have finished removing the noise. We've finished cleaning up the noise. So you click on this check sign. So we are not done yet. The next thing I want you to do is this. You click on the next icon there, which is isolate voice. Click on it and then click on keep vocal. This one here says remove vocal. This one says keep vocal. When you click on remove vocal, it will only remove your own voice. So maybe the background noise, there's background music, that's what they will be hearing, but they won't be hearing your voice. We don't want that. The one we want is our voice should be there, but the background noise should reduce. So you just click on keep vocal and then it will also start counting. Everything about Capcut is patient. You need to be patient for you to have a good video. Remember, it is quality over quantity. So you need to be patient for you to have a very good video for your viewers. So this one will also count from 1 to 100. If you have a good internet connection, there's no problem. It will be very fast, sha. So guys, we are almost done. We are done. Vocal isolation applied. Did you see that? This is it. So I'm doing a screen record, so it will not sound the way it's supposed to sound, but I'll just play it for you to see. So I'll click on play. So guys, did you see that? So immediately you are done, just click on this check sign and that is all for this tutorial. Click on the check sign and you are done. You are done. If there's any other editing you want to add to your video, you can do it and export your video. So guys, that is all for this tutorial. I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. Please let me know in the comment section if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. You guys are watching my videos, you are not subscribing. Don't you want to see more of my face and my videos? Please guys, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on your notification bell so that when next I post a video, you will be the first person to get notified. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.